Hey Crea'Madonas, welcome back to the channel. I'm Belitra and I'm the crafty black girl, and you guys, today we will be creating a Batman water jug. So you guys, this is another part to our little series on this Batman basket that we're making. So listen, you guys, this is the thing. This basket is actually for newlyweds, you guys, but the husband is a Batman lover. So this was such a challenge for me, so I had to custom make pretty much a lot of the items. So yeah, let's get into it. So now I'm using this Cricut printable vinyl, and as you can already see, I printed the image from Google onto the printable vinyl, and now I'm cutting it down to make sure it fits this jug. Now I'm going ahead and I'm spraying that clear gloss, and that is by Rust-Oleum, the spray paint, and I wanted to have like a little glaze. I didn't want it to be matte. So that jug I actually got from Five Below, you guys. Five Below saves me all the time when I can't figure out what I want to do. When all else fails, visit Five Below, because you're gonna find something that you can make something out of, or something to just throw in there to just make things complete. So yeah, now I'm just lining up this vinyl on the water jug, you guys. So this vinyl is actually from Cricut, but there are other vinyls that you can use, and I'm just lining it up, and I use my little Cricut cutting board. It's called a trimmer. That's what you saw me use to trim down that vinyl to make it fit, and I actually resized that in Design Space on Cricut. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and take out all the bubbles by using this little weeding tool. And if you use Cricut or any cutting machines, then you're familiar with the weeding tools, but you can actually find that tool in Dollar Tree now. So yeah, that is a plus. So I'm just making sure that all the bubbles out. Sometimes you will have to play with it to get it perfect, but then you will see that this vinyl actually does stretch. So sometimes you will create more bubbles. Just, yeah, you have to play with it and get it right, but that's what it looks like. And then sometimes you will still have little bubbles inside, and so now I'm just popping those bubbles and I'm smoothing them out. So then I'm going to just take this razor blade and cut off any excess, just a little bit of excess that got on the top. So now I'm using this Mod Podge, which is dishwasher safe, and I'm going to cover up the whole image because I don't want, when he washes this cup, to have the image to go ahead and smear, smudge, or fade, or anything like that. So I'm going to go over it with the Mod Podge. That's what it looks like. And you guys, this is the next morning. So as you can see, it's shiny and it is sealed. You do kind of see some of the shininess on the side, but it actually looks really good. So that is all for this video, you guys. If you liked it, leave it a thumbs up, and until next time, stay crafty.